Alright, so here is going to be the first time I'll test it out, but I guess I'll kind of just go through the settings right now. So as you can see, that's how I have it currently set as far as the image goes. And then, whoops, wrong button, that's power. There we go. So here we got the menu, so we'll just go through. So there's the different resolutions you can choose from. I don't really know what all those mean. Like what's UHD, I'll have to look those up, but I guess that top one, if you wanted it, it's just going to give you the front camera. Whereas, so if I switch to that one and go back, yeah, back camera disappears. So apparently that's like the highest quality one that you can get, but you can't have the rear camera on. But since I want the rear camera, I guess I'll go with that one, which gives me both cameras. So there's that. Loop recording, you can do 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Second camera selection. So it looks like you can only have it recording up to 2 total. So if you have the in-cab camera, you can either have it doing the front and the in-cab or the front and the rear. So that's just one thing to consider. So I may not end up getting, oops, I'm trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time. I may not end up getting that for a while longer. I may just end up getting like my little off-brand GoPro mount. I can just sticky mount it here and then have that for a dash in-dash cam. But so there's that. WDR on or off. Exposure, so you can adjust the exposure of it. Set our light on, off, auto. Record audio. Let's see. It's kind of tiring on the arm to hold it. Okay, then we got date stamp, so you can stamp the thing. G sensor. Yeah, I'll leave that on medium for now. So that'll basically just lock it, lock the video if it detects bumps. So that's really good if you have it wired for always on. Parking monitor, yeah, you need the smart hardwire kit. Number plate, I guess I don't really know what this is because so you can set your own plate number, I guess. That's kind of interesting. I may just put Recon for that, my moniker. Lane departure something, don't know what that stands for. Don't know what that one stands for either. What did that say? Only available while front want 1080p. Okay, I'll have to look up what that one is. Daylight savings if you wanted that, if you're in one of those weird places that has daylight savings. GPS speed unit, change kilometers. Set time zone, so I'm in Arizona. And then there we go. So then you got Wi-Fi, so you can turn it on. Format the SD card. You can choose your language. Date and time. 10:03. It's 102. Close enough. Frequency. Beep sound if you don't want that. Screensaver. So just turn the screen off. Version. See if you're up to date. And switch to default settings. So those are pretty much all the settings on there. Obviously the app has a little bit more, so I may connect to that and screen record my phone so you can see the different settings in there. But that's for that. Now I'm gonna just go do a drive, just kind of get some test footage and see how it all looks. So there we go.